Well, ladies and gentlemen, may we have your attention please?
Our opening ceremony, Yogyakarta International Batik Festival 2020, it is about to begin. Please have a nice seat and back to your position. Excellency, distinguished guests, delegates, ladies and gentlemen.
We would like to request you to arise because we would like to commence this program by singing the national anthem of Republic Indonesia.
Thank you and kindly be seated.
Good morning,
ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Yogyakarta International Batik Festival 2020.
It's a great honor for us as MC in this opening festival. My name is Muhammad Fikri Yazid and my partner's name.
My name is Helda mustika candrawati to be standing here. Ladies and gentlemen, over the next few days, this Yogyakarta International Batik Festival 2020 will provide you plenty of opportunities to share knowledge and insight.
Before proceed the program today, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to
His Excellency the President of Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Insinyur Joko Widodo.
His Honorable of the Governor of Yogyakarta, Sultan Hamengkubuwono X.
We also like to recognize and welcome to His Honorable the Ministry of Education and Culture, Mr. Nadiem Makarim, Bachelor of Arts, Master of Business Administration, who will join us as a speaker during the ceremony.
His Honorable of the Ambassador of Singapore, Mr. Anil Kumar Nayar.
His Honorable of the Ambassador of Japan, Mr. Masafumi Ishii.
His Honorable of the Ambassador of Australia, Mr. Gary Quinlan.
Honorable our main sponsor, PT Gunadarma, and our CO sponsor, PT Angkasa Jaya.
And all distinguished guests, delegates, ladies and gentlemen.
Honorable distinguished participant, delegates, ladies and gentlemen. On this nice occasion, let me deliver the structure of the events today as follows.
First, opening.
Second, the speech from Mr. Nadiem Makarim as the Ministry of Education and Culture.
Third, the keynote speech from Mr. Insinyur Joko Widodo as the President of Republic Indonesia.
Fourth, coffee break.
Fifth, main program by striking the gong.
Sixth, hand over the plaques to the ambassador.
Seventh, closing. Honorable, distinguished guests, delegates, ladies and gentlemen.
As our welcome greetings, we would like to present to you a traditional welcome dance choreographed to symbolize our dedication to welcome the arrival of guests as a way to show hospitality and respect.
It is a performed in a special traditional dance called Tari Gole Ayun Ayun.
Excellency, distinguished guests, delegates, ladies and gentlemen. Indonesia is a multicultural portrait. We believe that batik, which became a world heritage, not located on the fabric, but through the techniques and the process, that have a variety of interesting motifs and has its own meaning on each motif.
Batik becomes an Indonesian identity that is approved by UNESCO. With this festival, we hope that batik will be better known to the rest of the world.
Without further ado, we would like to invite to the podium to deliver his welcoming speech as the Ministry of Education and Culture, Mr. Nadiem Makarim. The podium is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Nadiem Makarim, for the welcoming speech. It is now our deep pleasure to invite to the podium the President of Republic Indonesia, His Excellency, Mr. Insinyur Joko Widodo, to deliver keynote speech.
Thank you, Mr. Joko Widodo, for the keynote speech. Before we come to our main program, we are now in a coffee break.
Our food stalls is already outside the room, and please be note that break is only 15 minutes.
Please enjoy snacks and coffee served. Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and now we are in the main agenda of opening ceremony by striking the gong. It is now my deep pleasure to invite the President of Republic of Indonesia, His Excellency Mr. Joko Widodo.
The Ministry of Education and Culture, Mr. Nadiem Makarim, and the Governor of Yogyakarta, Mr. Sultan Hamengkubuwono X, and afterward, we would like to request the Ambassador of Singapore, Mr. Anil Kumar Nair,
the Ambassador of Japan, Mr. Masafumi Ishii, and the Ambassador of Australia, Mr. Gary Quinlan, to accompany His Excellency for striking the gong.
Excellency, distinguished guests, delegates, ladies and gentlemen.
So that was the opening ceremony of visit by striking the gong, and we are here in Indonesia. We have this culture that is kind of unique, very unique.
Indonesia is, we can say, one of the most diverse countries, the largest archipelago in the world. And the composed of various, we can say hundreds of cultures come from the local regions.
We would like to present a beautiful traditional dance, Serimpi dance, on stage. Please enjoy. Excellency, distinguished guests, delegates, ladies and gentlemen, that was the Serimpi dance.
This time we would like to call the Ambassador of Singapore, Mr. Anil Kumar Nair,
the Ambassador of Japan, Mr. Masafumi Ishii,
and the Ambassador of Australia, Mr. Gary Quinlan, to receive the plaques and souvenirs.
Kindly please the Ministry of Education and Culture, Mr. Nadiem Makarim, and the Governor of Yogyakarta, Mr. Hamengkubuwono X, to pass on the souvenirs and plaques to our honorable guests on the stage. Excellency, distinguished guests, delegates, ladies and gentlemen.
Now, as we officially starting the opening Yogyakarta International Batik Festival 2020, we would like to ask His Excellency and all distinguished delegates to kindly step outside proceeding to the receptionist area.
We are going to have our welcome reception launched by the Indonesian Resort Jogja, so we do hope you enjoy the rest of your stay, and hopefully your stay here in Yogyakarta will be a memorable one. And thank you very much. Please stay safe. Enjoy of the rest of festival. Thank you.